get to starting the company?
Yeah, so my background was Fortune 500 marketing. And throughout COVID, I just started doing some consulting when the world was shut down, and one thing led to another and snowballed over time, and here we are.
Gotcha. And I know you've had a lot of growth. Tell us a little bit about what your team looks like today.
Yeah, so the way that we're structured today is I have one full-time account manager. We have a part-time videographer. We have three Work Better Now assistants, and which actually are the marketing coordinators in our world. And I have an outsourced COO who also helps with a lot of the day to day, and about a dozen freelance from web development, copywriting, graphics, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera.
Tell us a little bit about how you work. You have some remote people, and you work with a lot of freelancers. You have obviously your clients. Tell us a little bit about how you work so you can bring that magic of double play marketing and sales to translate that into results for your clients.
Yeah, so I think the best way to put it is we have a process for everything. And the beauty of traction, as you know,
You talking about EOS?
yes,
Yeah.
um, is where you can create a process, a procedure, and a scorecard for everything. So whoever comes into these seats within our company knows exactly what they need to do on a day-to-day basis in order to execute and be successful. So when, when we onboarded Bridget, who's our account manager, she went through her 90-day training and now she's able to run with her accounts, right? We bring on a new virtual assistant, and as that process unfolds and as they come on board, and after about 30 days, they're able to run with their processes and procedures. So everything is written out either in some sort of playbook or via video. And, we're able to replicate that time and time again. We do meetings as a team every week, wherever we go through all of our account stuff, we go through everything in the business, and everyone has their goals and their metrics and their to-dos for the next week.
What that sounds like to me is by having such a focus on process, it really allows you it kind of gives you the freedom to be creative and do your best work for your clients.
Exactly. Exactly. I would say having the team structured the way that we have it lets the account managers focus on the strategy component and deliver the best results for our clients, while our marketing coordinators are able to do a lot of the behind the scenes, social media, other softwares we use, lead generation, things like that are all becoming more and more automated every day because of the processes and procedures.
Right. Andrew, tell us a little bit about your experience with your Work Better Now professionals, Christy, Carla, and Lisa Marie.
Yeah, so it's been fantastic. That's
Awesome.
the short of it. There's a level of trust now that we have as a team that, they're we yes, they may be in another country, but they are a true component of our organization. And I think that's what's made it super successful. So they're on our account management level 10 meetings, and they've been able
So
to,
EOS, yeah.
yes, exactly, EOS. So they've been able to take the processes and take the procedures and run with them to the point where sometimes they even correct me, which is great. They keep me honest as well
Right.
and make sure that everything happens every week the way that they need it to. It's really, they've become really backbone within our business. And, Christine and Carla are great on the marketing side. Lisa Marie's been great on the sales and lead generation side. Um, and just, if we give them a process to do something, we can really trust that it'll happen 1,000 times over.
That's awesome. And having them, what has that enabled you and the company to do?
Strategy. That's been the biggest thing. Really focus on the strategy and the day to day of building our client's business and working on the business for each of our clients.
Really appreciate you spending a few minutes sharing your insights and a little bit more information about your company and your insights on working with your WBN professionals. Really appreciate it. Where can people find out more about you and Double Play marketing and sales?
Yeah, so really two places, and it's funny because this is where I tell my clients as well. When you meet someone, they look you up in two places. So we just relaunched our website. So we have a new website, doubleplayagency.com, and our LinkedIn page as well. That's
Sounds
me.
good. Andrew, thanks again, and looking forward to seeing you soon.